Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today we'll talk about the difference between an economic good and a free good. And mind it, these two concepts are very important for A-level and O-level economic students. Now let's discuss economic goods first. Economic goods have three main characteristics. First one is that they are scarce. Second one is that they always have a price. Third one is that they have an opportunity cost. And these characteristics are linked together. Let's discuss how they are linked together or in what way. Now, economic goods are scarce. What does it mean? That they are always less than what is required. That means they are never sufficient to meet the needs of the people who want to have it. That is why a price is charged, so that certain people can be excluded from it. Of course, people who have the ability will buy it, and the other who don't have, they won't buy it. And that is why it has an opportunity cost as well, because once you are spending a certain amount of money on an economic good, the same amount cannot be spent on another item, and that becomes your opportunity cost as a consumer. Now let's talk about free goods as well. They also have three characteristics exactly opposite of economic goods. First one is they are not scarce. Second one is that they do not have a price, and the third one is that they have zero opportunity cost. Now they are not scarce, it means that they are always more than what is required. Now it can happen in two ways. One, either they are in abundant supply or in unlimited in supply, or they are not demanded much by people. Now think about sunshine, think about air. These are unlimited in supply and they are free goods. But think about pebbles lying on the beach. Now they might be limited in number or might not be countless, but not much people want to have it. So still they will be called free goods. And because all people can have it, that is why there is no need to exclude them by charging a price. That is why there is no price charged for free goods. And third one is they have zero opportunity cost. And of course, when you are not spending any amount on an item and you are getting it free of cost, so there is no opportunity cost involved for a consumer, right? So if I talk about economic goods, all those goods which you buy from the market for a price, they all are economic goods. Either it is a cell phone, a ballpoint, shoes, car, whatever it is, right? But think about a gift, because many people, they get confused about, sir, gift is a free good because we are not spending any money on it. It's absolutely wrong. Why? Because somebody has bought it for you. For example, you have a birthday and somebody has presented it as a gift to you on your birthday, right? So it means that person has bought it from the market. So it had a price. You are getting it free of cost, but that doesn't make it free. Remember, it is still an economic good. Thank you very much. I hope that the difference between an economic good and a free good is more clear to you now. Thank you.